you guys.
Hello everyone.
We are here today for second day of the Epcot International Festival of the Arts. Gonna try and get our hands on the Figment popcorn bucket that people are waiting up to 8 hours in line for.
Yeah. Let's see how long we have to wait today.
Oh yeah, and we're also gonna finish the rest of the food crawl today. So let's go on and have some fun.
Yes. See you
ready?
inside.
Yep.
Or we are inside. See you at the booth.
I'll pay off my rent for this month. I'll pay off my car insurance. If you want to give away free money, give away free money. The 50th anniversary.
The line for the Figment popcorn bucket over at Pop Eats. Now, it's certainly not the 8-hour line that they had on Friday, which was the start of the art festival.
2 hours getaway.
But I asked the cast member and she said that we do have to wait 2 hours in line. So let's wait in line, you guys. Oh my god.
But I've been down here on the college program.
Oh, how do you like that?
It's pretty.
Joy is out in the yard in front of the Land Pavilion. It's a very beautiful day out here today at Epcot for the International Art Festival. We have secured our beverage of choice. I got a festival drink. I'm already drinking a little bit of it though. It's called it's a colorful drink for the Epcot Art Festival. I like little Fruit Loops on top of it. Then Grandma, she got her hot chai as usual from Joffrey's Coffee. Well, after an hour and 45 minutes of waiting for him, I scored myself my own Figment popcorn bucket. He is so cute. He is well worth the wait for him too. I love him so much. I'm going to put him on my shelf with the rest of the popcorn buckets. He is adorable. I should technically say that this is a mission accomplished, getting the Figment popcorn bucket, because we did come here to see if we can get him today, and then we were going to go try more food at the Epcot Food Festival. So yeah, we got him. From Vibrante and Vivito Encanto Cocina, authentic Colombian cuisine inspired by the Disney animated film Encanto. They have the house-made chorizo and potato empanada, which is actually on the food crawl, the spicy ajiaco soup, the passion fruit mousse, and then the drinks down here. Alright, gonna go online and get our food. From the Vibrante and Vivito Encanto Cocina booth between France and Morocco, I have the house-made chorizo and potato empanada with turmeric aioli and an aranato aioli. This is part of the Colorful Cuisine food crawl, so I'm very excited to try it. And then I also bought a spicy ajiaco soup with guajillo and arbol chili spiced chicken, potato, avocado, corn, and cream fraiche, which I'm pretty sure is sour cream. This also smells very good. Like when I was carrying it over to the table, like the fragrant, like the spice and stuff in it, smells so fragrant and so good. It smells like spices my grandmother uses. By the way, her cooking channel is linked down below in the description, NANS Global Kitchen. Anyways, gonna try these both and let you guys know what we think of it. This is what the inside of the empanada looks like. It's very filled, like very stuffed with the potato and the meat and stuff. Alright, gonna actually try it and I'll let you guys know what we think of it.
The empanada is really good. You can taste a distinctive taste with cumin. It's seasoned with cumin and a little kick with pepper. There's the hot pepper, chili pepper. It's a little kicker, but it's really nice balance. It's really good.
It's good, yeah. Mm-hmm. The soup has like meat, potato chunks, avocado, sour cream, and corn, and there's even like saffron on the sour cream.
We didn't expect this big piece of corn.
No, we did not expect to see the big piece of corn in it. Ready to try it, Nan? From how windy it is today, I feel like if I let go of my bowl of soup, it's gonna fly away. Oh, it is a very windy day here today at Epcot. It's beautiful out, but it's cold and windy. But we're having fun still. The soup was very good as well. Had like the potatoes in it, the avocado, the big piece of corn, which was good. Even had all the meats, and even had capers in it, which I thought was really good. Because the vinegar from the where the capers are actually like brined in, added like a nice sour kick to the soup, and I think it blends very well with like the spice in it. Because this soup is pretty spicy, but it's a good kind of spice. We do enjoy our spicy food. However, if you guys don't enjoy spicy food, because I know spicy food isn't for everybody, you guys are more than welcome to try something else, especially that empanada they have, or even like the nice little dessert that they're offering, or even one of the drinks. But this was a very good soup, and I highly recommend you guys get it if you guys enjoy spicy food. It's definitely getting busier here now at Epcot for the International Festival of the Arts. Has a crowd picked up, Nan?
Yes. Lots of people.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna head out from here now.
Yep. Before I forget, in front of the France Pavilion, they have a socially distant meet and greet with Belle. And in Morocco, they have socially distant meet and greets with Jasmine. We have some art here from James Coleman. I'm a big fan of his work. They're very beautiful. I don't know how to describe it. It just kind of brings you to those different places around the world. Especially this one, since this is a mixed media. I always find mixed media art very beautiful. You're fine. And over here we also have Christian Masset's artwork. Love the owl one. That's beautiful. It's an original piece too. Taiko drummers are getting set up to perform.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Japan Pavilion and this performance by Matsuri-san.
Again, I want to apologize if there's any microphone distortion in this video today. It's very windy. I'm not using the best equipment to film. I'm just using my phone, literally. So I do apologize if there's any distortion or whatever in this video from the wind. Well, we were going to go get the artist table scallops and complete the food crawl today, but there's a long lineup for that. So I think we're going to come back and finish the food crawl another day, especially on a day that isn't too windy and too cold. I mean, it's still a beautiful day, but it's kind of chilly out. Artwork? I've heard of his artwork before. I think it's also one of my favorites here. Especially this Jungle Cruise piece. Or even this one with Minnie and Mickey on a bench in front of all the park icons. Figment one too is lovely. At the German Pavilion, you can meet Snow White. She's right next to the bakery. Greg McCullough art. I'll have to come back to see the rest of the art here, though. However, at the Epcot International Festival of the Arts. I wonder if they're going to repaint the Guardians building before it opens, because it does have some sun damage on it already. So the paint either fading away, or it's fading away or rubbing off. So that is going to be it for today, guys.
Yeah, we'll come back again
Yep.
to try some more of the food from a different booth.
Yep.
And to see some more of the art from the different artists.
Mm-hmm.
Because they have so many of them, but it's too crowded today and windy and cold.
Cold, yeah.
So it's a beautiful day, but it's just so windy, the cold and the crowds, right?
Yes.
So we'll be back again. You know, it's the first few days since the festival have started. So
Yeah.
of course we're going to have a lot of people, right?
Yep.
Maybe in a couple of weeks we'll come back. But it's only running until February 21st, I think, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll be here a couple more times.
Oh yeah, for sure.